Una well done, my people. I don't land again. For the last video, I tell you say for this one we go talk how to install the Python inside our system so that we go fit write our code. You understand? And also for those where they use phone, I go tell now the app where you need to download inside your phone where go help you to run the Python code. You understand? Okay, but you go need some more data for your phone so that you go fit download the app from the website. You go need to open your search engine, your browser. Now you know the one way they use. So you go type python.org or python.org. Now you know as you did pronounce them. If you reach there, if you enter the Python website, you go see where they write download. Beside them, you go see where you fit select the system where they use, whether na MacBook OS or Windows or Linux, anyone. Check them for there, you go see your own, choose them. Then on top that download, that small hand or small arrow where they in front of your computer, use and touch on top that download. Other details like Python 3.13 version go come inside with other things where they under. Now use that your cursor, click on that Python 3.13 version where you see for there. You go see say you go start to the download. Now the file you did download like that. Wait to make it download finish. If you don't download finish now, go to that file where you don't download, click and open up. You go see say it won't make you mark too good, make you tick too good. The other one say use admin privilege when installing py.x. The other one say add Python X to path. So many people they do mistake for here, and this thing now waiting they say it go, if you click those good, now waiting go back, waiting go make your code with the work, and now waiting go bring the place where you go to write your code, and Python go to execute them inside your computer where she understand. If you know put all these things, your code and things where you go to get issue. Now click on those two things, add to path, and click on the other one. Then you move to the next option. Then you will see say they don't use their hand. Click some of the things where you need, where go good for you. Check the film. There is another one called advanced option. You get one where they talk say install Python 3.13 for all users. If you know they marked for your own, if you mark them, but that one now just for extraordinary things where fit happen inside for there. She understand, but they don't already mark the main things where really need to happen for inside the coding world. She understand. So if you don't click that one now, install, but make sure say you add to path, that place, that first two places where you need to take code, add to path, I beg. So click install and wait to make the thing install. No disturb them, wait to make it just install on your own, so you go balance for your computer well. Now if you don't install, if you don't say successful, that means say it don't enter. So now we go need to know if it don't install inside our computer. Come off for the website, go back to your normal computer screen, click on your window button. If you click them, if you don't open, type cmd. If you type cmd, click open. Now for here, in case if you never download Python before, this same way now you feel check whether Python been there installed inside your computer before. You feel me? So click on your window button, type cmd, click open. If you don't click open, the command where you go write to show you whether Python don't they installed for your computer na this thing, you go write Python. If you write Python, you go give space. You get one symbol where they call hyphen. It'll be like two small line, so you go write them 2 times, then write version for the front of that symbol. You hear what I tell you? Python, you will give space, then that 2 symbol and version, then you click enter. If Python don't they install for your system, you go see Python 3.13.0. You go show for under that this thing where you write. You feel me? So in case if you know they installed before for your system, if you write this thing, you know go show. You dey feel me? But if you never download them before and it dey installed inside your system, if you write this command in Python, give space, can't give that symbol and version, run am, you go see say the version go show outside. Now you need to, say who get land na they cultivate. Now make we open the main place where they write the code, the place where we go write the code. This one now na the version. We just check if Python don't dey inside our computer. Now go back to your normal home screen again. Click on your window button. Type IDLE or IDLE. If you type and click open. If you don't open, we go write our first code like this. Now, I want make you write print. Use small letters. PRINT. Print. Then you put bracket. Print. You put bracket. Inside those brackets, you put double quote. Print. You put bracket. First bracket and the closing bracket. Inside those brackets, you put double quote. Inside that double quote, like in between those double quotes, write your name or anything where you like for there. Press enter. If that thing where you write in between those double quotes show for outside, let me know for comment section, I beg. If it show, that means say waiting we don't they come from since they work and you they get them well. Okay. Now say this thing where you writing now don't turn to data, like it don't turn to something where they inside. Shey dey feel me, like you feel save them. Maybe say if you come back you see them. Now you need to know how to save Python file because they know they save them anyhow. If you save them anyhow, if you run the code, you no go run. Like if you move the file to another computer, the computer no go know say this thing na Python file. Now by the left hand side for the up, you will see where they write file. That file, click am, you go open. You go see where they write save as. That save as, click am. If you don't click am, you go see file name. So now you know what you want save your file as. So if it be my first project or my first coding or my first code or your name, but anything where you save them, you must put .py in front of anything where you write. Anything where you write, put .py. That py is just short form of Python. That .py they let any system or any computer where you carry that your file move to. They let them know say, this thing is Python file, and you go run them exactly as a Python file. In the film. So if you go back now, you go see say for up, that place where they write your code for up, you will see say the name of the thing where you write .py go show for up. That means say you don't save be that. Shey the film. So we are ready to start to write our code now. Okay, for those of you where they use Android phone or iPhone, for Android, you get one app where they call Fedroid 3. Fedroid 3. That app will help you to run Python code well. And you get another one where be Replit. Replit is a better app. Where we say it just be like that, either that IDLE. But you know full like that, but it will give you everything where you need to run Python for your phone. You don't need to find computer up and down, and you go still use and build so many things. Are you feeling me? For iPhone users, it gets some app where we say you need to pay small money, but free ones still they share the film. You get one where they call Pythonista 3 or something like that, but you like say they pay small money for that one. But you got another one where they call Python. That Python might be Python. That one na free. It just be like Python like all these ones, but na free one. It supports all these libraries like pandas and other things. So, but that one na free. If you download that one, so if you use all those ones start. So, in case if I dey talk fast or the video dey fast, if you slow down or if you refresh back so that everything goes set. Make una no forget to that print what I use for there. Normal. Before where I never know what thing be that. I been think say na only print now I go dey write like print to dey view something, print. But I go still let una know wetin that print be for the next video. Shey dey feel me? Because that print na one of the inbuilt function wey Python get, wey if you use do any play something wey you like. You dey feel me? Una well done. Make una no forget to subscribe, share to your family and friends. Una bye bye yo.